Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get stronger in Archero 2. Getting stronger in Archero 2 is all about combining smart upgrades with skillful play. Start by upgrading your equipment. Higher level gear not only boosts your stats, but also ensures that new weapons you acquire automatically match your current level, like a level 18 heroic longbow, raising your other weapons to level 18 as well. Next, focus on talent cards. Draw unlock and upgrade them to enhance your abilities efficiently. Artifacts are another key way to grow stronger. Each artifact contributes both base and special stats, and having multiple artifacts activate together compounds their benefits. Progressing through higher stages rewards you with more resources, including gems, money, and gear, which you can reinvest in upgrading equipment, talents, and artifacts. Finally, remember that your personal skill is crucial. Mastering game mechanics, aiming, and timing can make a huge difference. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.